1, 2, 3, go!
Wow, that's good stuff.
Wow! What is?
I don't know, but very interesting.
Give me, please.
I want it!
Oh.
Hey, I want to.
I want it! I want it!
Okay. It's real magic. Okay. Unbelievable.
My turn.
Gosh! Oh my god!
My big watermelon.
Yes. Magic boom.
Hmm?
Only one eyeball.
What?
Green magic.
Wow!
Oh my!
Okay.
You can do it. What? What?
Goodness gracious. Goodbye! What?
Help, please help.
I can help you. I am with you, my friend.
I'm coming.
Need help?
Oh my goodness.
I got it!
Yay!
I'm free. Don't scare me. I have present for you.
Present? For me? Thank you.
Okay.
Doc, I help you.
I'm coming. Oh.
Hey, what happened? Huh? No problem. I help you. Опа! This. Thank you. Okay.
Hey, stop.
One moment. For you.
What?
My green sweets. Oh.
My blue presents.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Green.
And blue. Sweet challenge. Blue donuts with chocolate.
Chocolate. I like chocolate. Donuts. I have donuts too.
Whatever.
Hey, give me this chocolate, huh? Where my chocolate?
Oops. My crazy dips. That's yummy to my tummy. Wow.
What the?
Food? Yes. So sweetie.
It's the funny. Oh. Toxic candy.
What? was that?
Toxic.
Oh my god.
Hey, Hulk, maybe play?
Game? I like game.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! No! Okay.
What? Are you crazy?
Oh!
I'm winner.
Next.
How many jelly eyeball?
Eyeball. Huh? Where my eyeball? Huh?
Sorry, eyeball only for queen.
Shh. Uh-oh.
How?
What?
I want giant eyeball.
Oh.
It's only clever man. Hey guys, who do you like more? Professor Hulk or Elsa?
Queen Elsa.
Elsa.
Queen.
Captain.